This is so cute. And then you can be stunned on the girls. And that's how you make your workspace into your own aesthetic. Ooh, ready for you. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. Wanted to change your wallpapers. Need a little pop, or you want to put your personality into it. But have you ever thought about using AI to up your wallpaper game? Well, baby, I'm about to show you how to update your wallpaper game because it's your girl Sultry Accessory. We take digital designs and turn them into accessories, or we take our accessories and turn them into digital design for our phone and for our iPads. So, but now we gotta like make us an AI background. So spicy, but it's not spicy for the internet or nothing. But anywho, I'm gonna find the photo that I want to do. I'm looking at it right now. I feel like it's giving grown and sexy, but then it's giving pouty pout, cherry pouts. So I kind of like the picture. You can email yourself 2 photos, attach them, send them to yourself. Don't send them to nobody but yourself. Okay, so these are the 2 photos that I decided to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm pressing download this arrow down button. It's the story right here. Just plain Insta story. Don't press Insta story video, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and press that. I'm going to press open. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. Make sure I don't get the same photo. And I'm press open. All right, y'all. So we're going to make a second page. So we have one right here and we have one right here. Okay, what we about to do is we about to drag and drop our photos. So I said we're going to try 2 different ones. Stretching it out. Make it go down a little bit more. Okay, I got that one and I got this one. Okay, boom. Then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit image and I'm going to go to remove background. I am paying for Canva Pro. So this is a Canva Pro. This is how you remove the background from your images if you ever wanted to know how to do that, because that's definitely something that I do to make my own wallpapers. You can always size yourself down if you don't want to be that big, which I probably don't, especially if I have a really nice background that I like. This is what I'm talking about. I want a dreamy... I want like a dreamy... Oh, y'all. Okay. Y'all, name some backgrounds in the comments I could put with this picture. And then name some that I could put in the comments with this picture. This picture, I feel like... This one, I see like an island. Let me just see. I want like a dreamy popsicle island. A dreamy popsicle island with orange and cream soda. How about that? Let's do that. Can I work? Can I do that? Your image is being created by AI. I don't know if it's going to work because I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh my God. Okay. Y'all. Y'all. Look at this. Oh my God. I can't even. Y'all, I can't even. This is everything. Do y'all see this? I put dreamy popsicle island with orange and cream soda. Look at it. That is so cute. Okay, so we're going to download it. Make sure you guys press download, okay? Get all of the images. They gave you 4. Get all 4 so you know which ones you want to use, okay? So we're just going to go through here. Look at that. And we're going to press download. Boom. And then you go here. Oh, look at that. And then you press download. Boom. Ooh wee. That is awesome. Okay, so now let's do another one. Okay, let's go back. What else do y'all want to do? Ooh, this is kind of cute. Illustration style art. Let me see. Okay, what else background should we do? Oh shit. Let's do cherries. Okay, let's do a cherry themed um roller coaster theme park and concert vibe. Lights. How about that? Ooh, cherry themed roller coaster theme park with concert lights. Let's see, create. Oh, yeah, this is too good. And you get it for free. For the free. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Y'all look. Oh. Y'all. Do y'all see it though? Yes. The second one, that's cold. I like that. All right. This one cold too. I like this. Ooh, this is so nice. Okay, y'all. So boom. We got our wallpaper. We just gotta put it together. So we're gonna take one of our pictures from the island. Position, we're gonna make it backwards. Oh my god. This is fun. Okay. Y'all, I love this type of shit. It looked like a Vegas casino roller coaster background. That's cute. Let's download, y'all. Download. We have made our very own AI generated wallpapers. All right, so this is my old iPad where I taught you guys how to get all of this aesthetic themes, calendar photo with 2 little pictures there, and I got 4 apps to decorate as whatever widget that I want or any photo that I wanted, and my own photo with me and baby Kiri. So if you guys want to know how to do this, I actually am selling this course on my website, so make sure you guys go cop that, okay? Some love. Down. So what you do is you go boop, and then you go use this wallpaper. Wait, yeah, use this wallpaper, what I'm saying. And then you can move it however big or however small you want. However, and I just move it up or move it down, however the case may be. Cherries, y'all know I love cherries. That is my thing. Okay, so set, and then we're going to press home screen. Okay, if you want both, you can press both. So now we're going to go home, and then now we have this as our home screen. Was so freaking fun. If y'all got any requests in the comments below, make sure y'all let me know. Let's design and let's AI more stuff, more aesthetics, because that's what we talk about here with your girl Sultry Accessory. We all about turning our digital designs into accessories, or turning our accessories into digital designs. It's your girl Sultry Accessory. See y'all.